Get ready to explore flavor, creativity, and endless opportunities in the Culinary Arts and Design program at BU International Programs. Hello everyone, welcome to Bangkok University International Programs. I'm Zanted. Today we have a special guest who will take us through the Culinary Arts and Design program. Please welcome Alina.
Hi, I'm Alina. I'm your true student from Culinary Arts and Design. Today I'm so excited to go you to show and explore Culinary Arts and Design international programs.
So Alina, why should students choose Culinary Arts and Design program?
Because this program goes far beyond just cooking. You will explore culinary technique, food design, restaurant management, and hospitality. It blends creativity with a practical business skills, so it's very perfect for chefs, entrepreneurs, and also food designer.
And who will be the right fit for this program?
Anyone who loves food, design, and creativity. Whether your dream is world-class chef or own your restaurant, even an innovative food designer, this program is perfect for you.
Great! Now that we know the basics, and let's dive deeper and see what makes this program truly unique. Whoa, this place looks amazing. Is this where students practice cooking?
Yes, of course. And this program also covers all key areas that you need in culinary arts and design. It's giving a student well-rounded experience across multiple fields.
So what are the key highlights of this program?
The programs combine professional culinary technique, creativity in food design, and also modern hospitality management, and while also equipping a student with an entrepreneur skill to build and run their own business successfully.
Wow, that sounds like the perfect mix of creativity and real-world skills.
And here we are in a kitchen lab. The student can choose the elective subject based on their own interesting. And also, our major is very flexible to the personal passion.
That sounds amazing. So Alina, can you take a tour of the classroom and labs to see where the magic happens?
Absolutely, follow me. This place is all about the creativity and hands-on learning. It's equipped with a modern kitchen, collaborative space, and design lab with the latest modern culinary technology.
So students don't just study theories and they actually practice like professionals.
Exactly. The student will gain a lot of experience through the real project, learning from the expert chef, professor, and also the culinary project is approach simulated from the food business industry operation, so it's very good for a new graduated.
Normally, where are the classes usually held?
Normally, we are studying at A5 for a demo class for lecture, but A4 at a kitchen for the lab, and also C6 library or the BU International buildings. That one we also study from part of lecture that we study the English subject. C6 is have a lot of convenience like the library for reading and discussing the group work, and we are having to study English subject in that buildings.
Oh really? I've only been to the C6 full floor for reading before.
You're missing out. There are a lot of convenience and a lot of things that you need to visit in C6 buildings.
Our facilities are world-class professional kitchens, food design labs, and creative spaces.
And here you got a hard skill from the real project, designing your own menu and develop the food concept along with an expert chef and industry partner.
Oh, that already sounds amazing. But is there more?
Of course, we also have a partnership with leading university worldwide. Also guest lectures and training from famous chefs from Thailand and also from abroad.
Oh, that sounds amazing. So Alina, where can the students go for the double degree program?
Of course, they have a possibility to graduate it in 3.5 years and also an opportunity to go abroad graduated with a double degrees or even a triple degrees from world leading university. 2+2 triple degree in culinary arts with Culinary Arts Academy Switzerland and the University of Derby, including 6-month internship. 3+1 degree and Swiss higher diploma in culinary arts and Culinary Arts Academy Switzerland, including a 6-month internship.
Wow, that's incredible. Not only do you get hands-on learning here in Thailand, but also you got the opportunity to explore the world, study abroad, and graduate with a double degree. So Alina, what careers can you pursue with a Culinary Arts and Design degree?
There are many paths for your future career like executive chef, food stylist, restaurant owner, entrepreneur, pastry chef, catering manager, and also creative director for food hospitality industry.
That sounds fantastic. No matter which path you choose, this program equips you with the skills, creativity, and real-world experience to succeed in the global culinary arts and hospitality industry. Finally, do you have a message for students interested in Culinary Arts and Design program?
This program is not develop only the culinary skill, but also business skills, leadership, and the creativity. If you want to turn your passion into a global career, this program is perfect fit.
So today we learned all about Culinary Arts and Design program at BU International Programs. Thank you so much, Alina, for the tour.
Thank you so much.
If you're ready to explore the world of culinary arts and shape your future, the Culinary Arts and Design program at Bangkok University International Programs is waiting for you. Visit worldwideweb.bu.ac.th/en to learn more and apply today.